Hey, come on, man, welcome back. Today we are going to look at Safari Intelligence. I don't know if I leaked the name. Let's look at Describe extensions in Safari. There are so many new options here. So, first one is Ask Siri. If we scroll down, we can see there is a new option called Describe extensions. Let's click on that. There are 4 types of extensions we can create. One is boost productivity, improve focus, get creative, and design and develop. Let's try with 2 examples. One which they have already given the prompt, and second, let me create my own extension. Let me try 90s website extension. It is creating an extension. We can see the status at the top. Boom, it created. We can edit this one. We can apply for all the websites to have this look. You can turn on and off this extension by simply clicking on the symbol it created. See? Now let me create my own custom extension. In iPad or iPhone, I don't have Command F. I want to find Safari Intelligence in this page. If I try describing that, it gave option to create. It found out Safari Intelligence and highlighted the word. Nice. Now let me update it so that it can find whichever word we want. Let me edit this extension and click on yes, and yeah, it updated the extension which we created. Let's try the extension. Now let me search for notes. It highlighted all the notes available in this page, and let me try again with battery. Type battery and save and apply. Then yeah, we got battery. This is how you can create your own extension without paying a single penny. This is cool and very useful feature coming to your device in iOS 27. To stay updated, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.